Okay, dear students, now we will start drawing the second sheet. So already the handouts are given to you. In that handouts, if you see, there are total 6 exercises. There are 6 questions: A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So the first one is construct a square box. Okay. A is what? Construct a square box, but there are no dimensions given for question number A and B. So the question number A and B are almost same. Okay, so you can assume any dimension, like the length of the side you can take like 40 millimeters or 50 millimeters, it's up to you. So as for now I am taking it as 40 millimeters. Okay, so now let's start drawing the question number A. So take a scale and pencil. Now I am taking the length as 40 arba'in, okay, 40 millimeters. So take a scale, arrange it horizontally, then draw a line from 0 to 4. So this counts how much? 10, 20, 30, 40 millimeters. Okay, so after drawing this line, you have to draw 2 vertical lines. Okay, 2 vertical lines, they can be drawn like this, but here if you, some people may not arrange the scale properly, then what will happen? Some people may arrange like this, then it will go cross, and the edge will not be perpendicular to the first line. So in order to assure that, we can use the protractor. If you take the protractor, okay, by using the protractor, what you can do, you can make sure that it is 90 degrees exactly. So now take the protractor, okay, and this is the center of the protractor. See here, this one is the center. Okay, so this line, okay, here there is a line, if you can see or not, I don't know. This line must be coinciding with this line. See here, okay, so now this is the 90 degrees. Okay, actually you can make a dot here, but here the space is not available. Okay, in order to show you, I will draw this line again, no problem. Okay, so just take the scale, just lower it, because you will confuse later. Take the scale and draw from 0 to 4. Now take the protractor, okay, keep this center on this edge here, okay, and this line must be coinciding with this line. See, maybe you may have some other type of protractors which are like this, so this is also easier. Like if you have, some may have like this, some people may have like this, so no problem, don't confuse. Okay, so if you have like this also, this one is clear. See here, this is the center part. You have to keep this center line here on this edge. Okay, keep it here, and it should not be like this. See, it should match with this line. So arrange like this, exactly arrange like this, then it will be perpendicular. So here on 90 make a dot, okay, on 90 degrees. So this is the angle 90 degrees. So on 90 you are making a dot. Again move your protractor here to the left side edge and again make a dot here. Now this time you are putting on the left side edge here, left side, keep it here, okay. After keeping here, make a dot at 90 degrees. Now you have two dots, okay. So now take the scale, you have, okay, take the scale, arrange it like this. So this one from this edge to this line, it should be how much? 4. In the square all the sides are equal, so this one is how much we took? This is 40. So this one also need to be 40, okay. So now here I am starting from 6, okay. So to avoid the confusion, I am taking a small scale, okay, and drawing like this, okay. So arrange the scale like this. After arranging the scale like this, take the scale and you have to continue till 4, okay, from here to 4, okay. Similarly bring the scale here to the left side edge, okay, left side end, and arrange the scale like this. Now here also from 0 to 4, okay. This was 4, 4, 4. Now this will be also 4. See, this is exactly 4. Join these two, okay. So this is A. B also same, okay. Draw another same figure like this. In that one, what is the addition? You need to add a diagonal, okay. Here you need to add a diagonal in B. So simply join the corners of this, so this is the diagonal, okay. In order to make the dimensioning, just draw an arc like this, then draw 2 arrows, okay, like this. So this is how much? 45 degrees, okay. So this is A and B. Now coming to C, in C there are dimensions, okay. So first what you have to do, what is the base of the diagram? First you have to draw the base. So take the scale, keep it here. So how much it is? The length is how much? 80, 80. So draw a line from here to here, from 0 to 8, okay, 80. Now next what you will do, so this is 80. The height of this diagram is how much here? The height is 50. So So here also follow the same. In order to draw a perpendicular line, what you will do, keep this center point here and align this line like this. Okay, after aligning, make a dot here on 90 degrees. Okay, then you have to draw how much? 50. So take the small scale. So align this like this. And join it until how much? This length, the height is how much? 50 5 centimeters from here to here. Okay, now this is finished. This is how much? 50. Now like this, go right side. This distance is how much? 30. So here also, in order to make sure that it is perpendicular, what you will do, again you will keep the protractor here, like this, and mark 90 degrees. Now in this direction how much? 30. So keep the scale here from 0 to 30. 1 2 3 10 20 30 millimeters. Okay, 30. Now downside, this is how much? From here to here there is a line. The dimension is not given here, but here the half of the dimension from here to here, it is how much? 25. From here to here it is 25. So this is 50. Okay, this is 50, this is 25. 50, this one is 50, this is 25. So the remaining will be how much? 25. So again what you have to do, keep the protractor here, mark 90 degrees. Okay, and come downside. How much? This is like, this is 50, this is 25. So this one is also 25. Yani, let me tell you, هذا 50 هنا 25 باقي كم 25 هنا 25. Okay, so from 0 to 25 make a line. 10 20, this one 25. See here, exactly 25. Okay, so till here it is very easy. 80 50 30 25. Okay, so now what you will do, here there is a line 45 degrees. Now here you can go right side, but the right side dimension it's not given here. How much length, what is the length of this line, it is not given here. So what you have to do, you have to draw a line from here which is 45 degrees. So in order to draw that line, what you will do, keep the protractor on the right side of this line of the base line. Okay, and count 45 degrees. 0 10 20 30 40. Between 40 and 50 it is 45. Okay, 45, make a dot. Okay, make a dot, then remove the protractor, take a scale, okay, and join this end to this point. Okay, just join it. Now what you will do, take the protractor again, keep it here, keep here and mark 90 degrees. Then take the scale again and join these two. Okay, so this completes the figure. So now you can erase this part. This part is not needed, so you can erase it. These are the part of the construction line. Okay, now do the dimensioning. In order to do the dimensioning, just keep the scale like this, draw a line at a distance, leave some space here, and also leave some space here. Okay, then draw a line like this. Now you have to draw a arrow like this. So in every diagram, in every figure, you have to draw like this. Okay, so this is the dimensioning part. This is 80. Now what is the height? Height is 50. Okay, also here leave some space and draw a line. Leave some space, draw a small line. Now take this like this and draw here one line again. Here draw arrow. This is how much? 50. Okay, similarly draw here a line, draw here a line, connect the both. This is how much? 30. Okay, now here also some dimension lines are there. Draw here a line and also extend this line. And also extend this line. Make a line here. So this was the 25. This distance was 25. 5. Okay, so here there is some gap here. It should, okay. Now here there is an angle 45 degrees from here to here, so better make use of a compass. Okay, take a compass. Okay, keep it here and adjust the length. After keeping it here, you can adjust the length, increase the length. So if you don't have this one, you can use this one also, but it is not accurate. It is very loose and sometimes it will slip. So better if you purchase this one from the stores, it will be very easy and accurate. Okay, it is available in the stores outside. Okay, so you can adjust this, keep it here and make it, keep a pencil in it. Okay, like this. Okay, these two should be equal in the same plane. Okay, now after adjusting this, okay, keep the pen, like adjust the length, then draw an arc. Okay, after drawing an arc, now you have to make 2 arrows again. Like this. Okay, then this angle is how much? 45 degrees. Okay, so this completes the figure C. Now constructing the D, there is a mistake. It is written as C, but corrected to D. Okay, in the handout it is mentioned as C. So here this is the triangle. Construct a triangle using compasses. Okay, so what is the base of the triangle? The base of the triangle is 90 millimeters. Okay, so now take the scale. Okay, and keep it somewhere here. So if you don't have enough space, you can erase these dimensioning lines here up to some extent. Okay, now keep the scale here. You need here how much? The base is how much? 90. See the handouts. So from 0 to 9, you have to draw the line from 0 to 9. Okay, now after drawing this line, you have to adjust the scale. You have to take the scale and adjust it from, like, what is the left side? This dimension is how much? 60. Okay, 60. Here it is 90 you can draw, but from in this direction the angle is not given. At what angle you will draw? 60 millimeters. Okay, so 60 millimeters, the only the length is given. So here also only the length is given. So in this case, what you will do, you have to draw 2 arcs. So now take this one. If you don't have this, you can use this one also. Okay, so now measure 60 millimeters. 60. Okay, now carefully watch this, how I am measuring 60. So always this edge must be, this should be kept at 0. Okay, now this should be kept at 6. I don't know if you can see. this is 0, this is how much? 6. Okay, measuring 60, keep it here, and draw an arc like this. Okay, simply draw an arc here. This was how much? 60. Okay, this was how much? 0 to 6. Okay, now the second length here the length is how much? 80. So now take this, keep it at 0. Okay, and the pencil must touch at 8. See, like this, 0 to 8. Okay, now carefully take this and keep it here and draw an arc here. So both arcs will touch at some point. Okay, so if the arcs are extra, you can remove it like this. Okay, now you will get a point, intersection point of these two arcs. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, where this point must be joined with the two ends of this line, to the left hand and to the right hand. Okay, so now do the dimensioning part same like this. Okay, so here he is not doing the dimensioning but writing the length of each side. So you have to write like this, just copy it, whatever is there. Okay, here it is how much? Okay, here it is 80. Okay, so now the next thing, so this was D. Now question number E. Coming to question number E, construct a circle in the center of a rectangle. Okay, so here also the rectangle size is not given, so you can assume any, like here it is 80-50, so we will take 80-50 itself, not a problem. Okay, so now start from here. Okay, and so I am taking the base as 80. So in the rectangle the opposite sides are same. Okay, but this is what? This is the square. In the square all the sides are same. So here this is 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, but here the opposite sides are equal. So here I am taking it as 80 and 50. Okay, so here from 0 to 8. Okay, this is how much? 80. So let me write it for you. Now the height is like you can take anything because here he's not given any height, so I am assuming it as 50. So now keep it at 5. Okay, in order to make it perpendicular, what you have to do again, this one make the center point should be coinciding with this, and this line with this line. Okay, now arrange this like this. After that, make a dot at 90. Similarly, make a dot at 90. Here also make a dot at 90. Now what you will do, here like 5, arrange it like this, arrange the scale like this, so that these 2 points are visible to you. And see here, the 5 line should touch here, 5 like this. Okay, now join the 2 ends. Okay, now what you will do, join the corners. Join the corners. Okay, after joining the corners, you will get a center point. So at this point, keep this and keep this compass and measure like 10. 10 is very small, 20 is enough. Okay, 20 is good. So 2 centimeters are 20 millimeters. Measure it and keep it here in the center and draw a circle. Okay, like this. Okay, so the E is also finished. Now what you will do, the next part is F. F is also same. Okay, similar to this. So what you will do, take the same dimensions from 0 to 80. Okay, then again keep the protractor here and mark a dot at 90 degrees. Here also make a dot at 90 degrees. So this is the dot. Okay, now again this needs to be 50. Okay, from 0 to 50. Here also from 0 to 5. Then again join the now here you can draw the circles here also. But what he is saying, construct 4 circles evenly about the center of a rectangle. Evenly means here the angle between the two corners must be perpendiculars. Okay, perpendicular. But here, see, if you draw circles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are not evenly distributed. They are close. These two circles are far. But we need the circles at evenly about the center of the rectangle. Okay, so first we have to find the center of the rectangle. So in order to do that, what you will do, just simply join the corners like this. Okay, join the corners like this. So this is the center. So after getting the center, you can erase this. Okay, erase the okay, just keep the center, and in that center again draw 2 centimeter circle with radius 2 centimeter or 20 millimeters. Draw a circle. Make sure that it is fixed. Okay, okay. After drawing this circle, you have to draw the 4 lines as shown in the figure. So in order to draw that, you can draw it like this or like this. Okay, so first what you will do, draw a horizontal line here first in the middle. Okay, draw a horizontal line. Okay, after drawing the horizontal line, what you will do, keep the protractor in the center. Okay, now here measure 45 degrees. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Okay, see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, now from here also 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, this is the 45 degrees. Okay, so this is one point, this is one point. Now join this point with the center. Join this point with the center. Okay, join this point with the center. Align these two. Keep the scale like this. Now simply, if you draw it again a line here, you need to erase it. So I am not drawing it here. I am just drawing from within the circle. Within the circle, make a line like this. Okay, only within the circle, and this point should be aligned with this point. Arrange the scale in that manner. Okay, like this. Arrange the scale like this. Then simply make a line inside the circle. Okay, then you will get 4 points here, 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 here. Okay, so actually the circles are very small there, like 1 centimeter diameter. So with this one it is very difficult to draw a 1 centimeter diameter circle. Okay, so this one is 1 centimeter, so keep it here and draw a circle. So it is quite difficult to draw with this, but you have to draw it carefully. Okay, okay, like this. Keep it here and draw one more circle. Like this, and again keep it here. Okay, like this. Finally keep it here. See, that's why I don't like this one. This one, once you fix, because of the screw mechanism, it will not move. It will not move. If I want to move also, it will not move. But this one is very weak. It will move. That's why, see, suppose let me draw a circle with this one. Once you fix it, khalas, it is very easy to draw with. Even the small circles you can easily draw with this one. Okay, so suppose here this is 1. See now, keep it here and simply draw like this. Okay, it is very easy. Got it? So here the figures don't like, the figures are not seeming correct because we assumed the dimensions here. See, here it is 80, here it is 50, but in the diagram this is even smaller. Okay, yani you cannot draw that small with the given compass. Okay, the circles are like this. So if you have the bigger one, you can even draw this smaller diameter circles. See, like this. So it is better to purchase the bigger compass. See, this is the correct representation of the figure. Okay, so because it is the first class, you don't have this instrument. That's why I am explaining with this one. With this one, this smallest circle you can draw with the precision is like 1 centimeter radius, but this one you can go up to 5 millimeter radius. Okay, so this is the end of this session. Thank you for attending.